In this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenClaw to the internet using Brave Search's API. No fluff, just the exact commands you need to get your OpenClaw bot up and running. So let's dive in. First, navigate to the Brave Search API website. Once you've created an account, go to Available Plans. You'll want to subscribe to the standard search plan. The great news here is that Brave gives you $5 in free credits every single month, which is plenty for personal testing. Now, before we generate our key, let's do a quick safety check. Click on Usage Limits on the left menu. I highly recommend setting a limit right here. This ensures that you'll never go over the $5 free limit. With our plan active and limit set, click on API Keys in the sidebar. Then click on the plus Add API Key. Give it a clear name. I'm just calling mine OpenClaw. And make sure the search subscription is selected from the drop-down. Hit Add, and then copy the key it generates. Open up your terminal or PowerShell. We're going to bypass the main setup and jump straight into the web settings by typing this command. OpenClaw configure -- section web, and then hit enter. The OpenClaw configuration wizard will start. For the gateway location, just select local this machine by pressing enter. Next, it will give you a brief explanation of the web search tools and ask you if you want to enable it. Use your arrow keys to select yes and hit enter. Next, it will present you with a list of search providers and select Brave Search. Next, paste in the Brave Search API key that you generated from the developer portal earlier and hit enter. Right after that, you'll be asked if you want to enable web fetch. Select yes here. OpenClaw will save the changes and show a configure complete message, along with the local URLs for your control UI. Your agent won't know how to use the internet until you reboot the system. In your terminal, type OpenClaw gateway restart and then press enter. You'll see the log scrolling as your OpenClaw gateway safely reboots and reconnects to your linked platforms. Now for the fun part, let's test it out. For this example, we'll use Telegram. Open up your chat with your OpenClaw bot and ask it something that requires live internet access. I'll ask, what are the latest news headlines today? And look at that. Because we enabled web search, the bot actively browses the internet, processes the search results, and delivers a clean, structured list of up-to-the-minute headlines. It includes the direct source links so that you can read more. And now OpenClaw has been able to respond with the latest news headlines. And that's it. Your OpenClaw bot is now fully integrated with web search. Now that you have it working locally, you probably want to keep it running 24/7. So click on the video on the screen right now to see my guide on how to host OpenClaw on a BPS with a super easy one-click install. Drop a like if this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.